after packing up, I'm just gonna pay and ready to go. These are some of the other facilities they have at the campsite. There's a little shop there. There's a coffee shop, sitting area. Yeah, nice facilities actually. Just about to pay here. Okay, which way do I need to go? I think I've got to turn right here. Alright. Fantastic. Okay, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with a brand new video. This was my second day in Norway. I camped here at the campsite I've just come out of, and the night of camping with a tent and a motorbike cost me about 175 Norwegian coronas, and that was I think in British pounds is probably about £14, and that included a shower for me, 5-minute shower that was. It was a race against time, but it was nice. And it had facilities, you know, with like toilets were there, nice clean facilities, and I had a nice breakfast in the little kitchen provided. I didn't really need to put my gas stove on because it had kettle and microwave and everything else on. So overall, it was a fantastic, you know, price for the night. Can't beat that, can you? In Norway, this is. So today is the day when I am heading towards the what's it called? Mine's just gone blank. It's called, yes, the Atlantic Road. In the Atlantic, where the Atlantic Road is, basically you have about 7 bridges inside the Atlantic, and yeah, it's a bit of a place to go. So that is the furthest north I am going in my trip, basically, and then after that I'm coming down. I am not sure if I will be doing the Trollstigen today, but either would be later on today or tomorrow. The only issue I have is that Trollstigen, there are usually, so I've heard, a lot of caravans kind of going up the hill. I think it's a bit of a steep hill, and they can make your experience, how should I say it, maybe not as enjoyable as it could be if the roads were empty. That's about as mildly as I can put it, okay? The other thing for today is, well, actually, let me just explain first of all what's the mileage and everything else. So the mileage to travel today is 85 kilometers. And sounds a lot, but you know, the kilometers drop quite quickly compared to the miles on the clock, and that should take me about 4 hours and 40 minutes. The GPS says sometimes a little bit quicker, sometimes a little bit you know, slower, but take it as it comes. If the roads are like this, you know, I'm doing 85, 84, 83 kilometers per hour, which is a speed limit anyway. You can't go any faster than that. So given that, so probably will be around about that time, you know. Now the Atlantic Road is obviously right next on the ocean, so I suspect there is going to be a lot of wind there, and the weather could be changing quite a lot. I think the options for camping tonight at that location are going to be limited with respect to the campsites. So I intend to kind of maybe come back from the Atlantic Road and find a campsite you know, on the way back. That is not well, that was not the plan for the day when I was planning the trip, but I will have to see, you know, how it goes. So that's basically what you've got to look forward to today in this video. Okay, otherwise last night camping was nice. I arrived quite early yesterday, I think around what time was it? I think around maybe 4 o'clock yesterday. And I need to adjust my mic. Okay, hang on. Okay, mic sorted. So yesterday I arrived at about 4 p.m. I think, which was plenty of time. I just wanted to take it a little bit easy, but I think I took it more easier than I wanted to. So it was in the evening I had an early kind of dinner, which was basically couscous and what else did I have? I had a couple of cups of coffee, and then these couple of guys arrived, and I'll talk about them two guys. They were fishing actually. One was Norwegian and the other one was from Switzerland. Anyway, the night at the camp itself, the tent, I obviously had a tent, and I eventually went to the bed around 11:30 and woke up at 7 a.m. So I had a fantastic sleep in terms of the sleep itself. Now in the middle of the night the temperature plummeted to around 4 degrees, and obviously I got woken up by the cold. Now I was not expecting that it was going to go as low as that, but I had some skiing thermals which I decided to put on. I put the top on and the pajamas, and then went straight into my sleeping bag, tucked underneath you know, that sleeping bag, and then it was fantastic. It was still, I could just still feel the kind of the when I was touching the sleeping bag, that it's quite cold outside. But I went quickly back to sleep, and it was nice. In the morning, as soon as the sun came out, by the way, the sunrise was about 3:45. This is 3:46 a.m. was sunrise, and the sunset was quarter to it was about 11:06. So it didn't really you know, become very dark in the evening, or at night I should say. Overall I had a fantastic sleep. Shower in the morning. 7 o'clock I woke up, and I was just messing about with the phone. I was just trying to figure out what I was going to do, how the weather was, and basically plan the if possible a dry ride, which I think it is. And yeah, this, if it stays like this, I'll be having a good time basically. Yeah. Now the speed limits here are quite stringent, okay, so I have heard. 50 kilometers per hour is the limit on this road, and that's what I am doing. But I haven't come across a single camera, and just a little bit concerned, you know. Where are they? Are they hidden? All of them? Are they hidden? All of them? Where are they? Maybe that's why I can't see them. No idea. If anybody knows where they are, please just text and let me know. Yeah, just comment on the video and let me know. We're just passing through the a national park they have here in this area. What a lovely view. Postcard view that is. There are so many campsites in Norway that well, there you go. As I was talking, here's another one. Yeah, They're everywhere basically. And it makes me feel good because yeah, that's where I will be staying. It makes me feel happier that other people are doing the same thing. They might not be in a tent, but certainly there are people there around me to support during the night or at the night, in the evening, in the morning, should I need it. So well, that's brilliant, I think. I think that one on the right, it was one of the rest places. They call them Rasteplatz. I really do need to find out about some of these signboards on the road. I do come across, and I'm not 100% sure what do they actually mean. The other thing would have helped on my bike, and again thanks to Honda, didn't put any cruise control on NC750 XDCT, even though it's it's controlled by wire. And I think ironically, I think it even has a space here on the right here where I'm pointing. I should have put a cruise control on this one. If I had put a cruise control, I could just put on 80 and just relax, take it easy. But unfortunately, I didn't think about that, I'll have to optimize it next time. If you guys can recommend which cruise control is the best for Honda NC750 XDCT, this is 2023 model, that would be fantastic. And I need it to be on the kind of budget, a bit more budget friendly than this. Sorry, this didn't come out the way I wanted to. So this is cheap, okay? That kind of just about works, but it's obviously manual. But I need a reasonably budget friendly price, I should say.